Welcome back, everybody. Now we've got GoPro pulled up on the charts here, and it looks like we can see a nice gap right here at this $9 level. But it looks like it's projecting that it could see a high of $15 and $16. So this is interesting here. Okay. Let's see how this squeezes out here. Maybe has a pop. Alright. Now we've got a Kapok plot and a Kapok lower plot. One accounts for daily action, one accounts for a further out view. Okay. Right. What else is on our list here? This had a big move. And this is firing off some green bars right now. Very good. Look what happened when AMD finally broke out. Went into the squeeze and then popped right out of there. And from here it was a buy. We don't seem to have anything. Oh, here we go. IPOE. Snowflake. NNDM. All of these on the weekly on the schaff are they're going to take off. All right. These went bullish back here. Nice bottom for Snowflake. That's way overextended. That's on its way back down. Let's look for a possible $4 level, break below, hit that $3 level. Big gap fill down here at 197. NNDM. Okay. $5.71. That looks like the nice base. So let's take draw that out about as far as we can. All right. Let's see if that's the height of that candle or not. Looks like the breakout is just starting though. So NNDM is, I can't say it's hit a bottom, but let's just see. It charted all the way through here. There we go. Let that one go. All right. Very good. So even if it gets pushed down a little bit, we can expect it to pop back up. All right, Sear. Okay. So we can see, look for a rejection somewhere around this level. If we can get a breakout past this gap right here, then, you know, it'll be holding it down from this level. Get past this level, it might keep on going up. Okay. Interesting. All right, it's almost broken through this level. If it can get through it, then it can keep on running up. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Weisswave says this is about to crash. Way down to this way. Ruh-roh. So LSPD on the Schaff Weekly. Big gap fills down this way. Let's see if it tries to reach it or not. It's already way low. About to take another little bullish run, but let's see if it gets rejected or not. I'm not always right. I really kind of expect it to get rejected here and, you know, get squeezed into this until it breaks out to the higher side. That's probably the more typical action, given that this support line here, look where it actually starts at. Okay. All right, this is something we might be able to watch. Hydro farm. All right. A little bit down in the dumps, but that's okay. That's what we look for. Similar chartings, though. Okay. Oh, well, what were those? MMC and INO. Okay, let's see what the Schaff bullish is. Oh, lots of stocks are bullish. All right, excellent. Now, what we're searching for, if you want your stock, watch list to look just like this one, with all of these plus 18, 15 cents, all the way up to, so on. All right, what we're searching for, an open or a close, okay, $3.50 to $1.69, and we can even, go up to a max of, 1,000 or 1,100. Let's keep it, let's just say 800 for now. All right, looks like our volume of 495,000 to a max, a percent change of, +2. And we want the Schaff trend cycle from 1 bar ago to be greater than 25. All right. And that's what generates this list right here. All right. Now, let's see if we can find that. See if we have a custom study that can show you exactly when that happens. All right, let's see, 25, well, we have a 30. Okay, let's get rid of some Kapok plots. Let's remove all that stuff. Let's move over into a Schaff. All right, oh, that's a custom indicator, of course. Now, let's pull up the regular one. And that's the Schaff trend cycle. All right. And we're looking for when it is greater than 25, all right, or 30. All right, yes. And let's see, this one is, it seems like it was made on a weekly, but it will work on whatever the time chart is. All right, so we would have shorted from there, when price started to fall. We would have shorted from here, same thing. Although I like the shaft trend cycle because you can see these, quick, slick swoop drops, and then, just like a heartbeat monitor, pump, boom. Once it hits the bottom, it pumps back up. So I like that movement. You can see these big overbought and oversold times and how the big run-ups happen during them, okay? So we can scan specifically for these movements, or when we get above 50, or when we finally get above, 30, or when we are breaking out of the lows right down here in this, say the dip buy zone. But even if you buy in this dip buy zone, that doesn't mean you're getting the best deal. I mean, not quite yet. There's still other candles to fight through. So I usually wait until the recovery above 25 or 30, right around this level. So when we see that recovery, that's when, we consider taking an entry. And had we done that at just about every, one of those times, it looks like we would have been successful. If we would have picked and had a plan to get out. Yeah, when you have made a certain percentage. All right, now DoorDash was the example here. What is Bro? That's Brown and Brown. Excellent runs here. So when they get well above their, say this overbought level, they really take a run, and you can see that in the shaft trend cycle. That's why I like it. All right, and then you can be part of the run, say from 50% on the way up, and then you can catch the short all the way back down, to below the 25 or the bubble buying zone, where you can expect it to be bought up again, and continue the ride back up. Wait until we start to cross back below the 80% level, short it again, okay, buy it back up down here, and so on, and continue on with your trend. All right. Now, this is one of those things that they just don't want to show you. That's why I'm showing you, because I don't care. So make sure you subscribe and help us get to that 300, and I will build an extra special strategy just for reaching that particular mark. So let's do that. Now, ETH I have been watching, and I wanted to get in on that. Yeah, excellent. I like the way this moves. So, this schaff indicator here in this weekly plot, it works pretty well. Very good. And down on the 30-minute time chart. Let's just say you want to do some swing trading intraday, it works. Okay, I like the way ETH trades. Might be worth taking a couple day trades with it. Oh, look at Hyliion. Okay. So now it's reaching this bubble buying zone, and we'll see what happens. See if they're ready to keep on going up or what. Are they going to take a little bit of a run now, or are we just going to hit this little spike here and drop off again? Of course, had you caught it early in its life, the shaft trend cycle was well above on the daily here. And dropped down, popped up, massive. All right. This was back in its young spacker days. Oh, look at this. All right. Enable midstream partners. This could be interesting. And let's pull up that GPRO, that GoPro. All right, so it's in the down in the dumps in the bubble buy zone. So let's look for it to do its consolidation thing, and once it finally gets over itself and decides it's ready to start coming back up, we will catch it. All right. But as of now, it has a little breakout to do. This looks interesting, though. Oh, yeah. All right, so 33.25. 33.25. We got a good breakout going out here. I like this. I like this. I like that it's going flat. That means a run. Okay, a run is happening. All right, we don't know how long it'll be, but a run is happening. So doji, 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 good dojis. Nice engulfing candle here. Not totally engulfing, but yeah, kinda. Okay, well, let's set an alert on that. And we'll create the alert. We'll do, yeah, we'll do at or above. There we go. Let's pull up another watch list here, see what we can find. Let's see what our zigzag trend sign on the daily finds. Quite a few. Excellent. Very good. Apple. Okay. All right. And I love the way Apple has been following, you know, the chartings correctly. And I can't say correctly, but I can say that I've charted them correctly, which, you know, works. But, you know, had we been using our schaff trend cycle, we would have known that the second it crossed this threshold here or here, that we were in bullish momentum territory and that it was time to buy. Okay. Very good. All right. And what are we looking for with that zigzag trend sign? Okay, greater than 0. Let's pull up that study. And I have a great zigzag trend sign video. You should go back and check it out. Okay, our harmonics. All right. And our zigzag trend sign lower. And our zigzag. Let's do our zigzag VWAP. Let's throw that down below. Let's hit apply. Hit OK. All right. Now, something here isn't right with that one. All right, excellent. Let's pull that out to the weekly. All right, and there's our good buy signal right there, back on the 23rd, years ago. Okay. Maybe I should try to add. Well, that's probably what I did there. Tried to add the VWAP into it, and it's causing this problem here. All right, what do we see next? Let's see which ones are bullish, just by the HA code. I guess not. We'll check some Darvis box breakouts then. There we go. So there we get some daily breakouts on the Darvis boxes. Very good. Lift. What's this one? That's some big volume. Interesting. Oh, bear 3 drives and then it goes down. Let's see how that plays out. No zigzag strategies. Oh, I guess I'm gonna have to build some. You hear that? That's what I'll do. I'll build a strategy for the zigzag, percent or trend sign or something like that. Yes, very good. All right. Now I'll get your chart set up just like that. And maybe even throw them into some Renko bars. And now we're really starting to see those trends we never saw before. Make sure you subscribe.